Hello again. I want to show something to everyone. This is an idea I had. Because of the nature of the videos I do, sometimes I need to mount the camera to a stationary point, like a tripod, like this one. This one was actually designed, believe it or not, for a speaker. But as you can see, it has this stanchion or pin, if you will, that mounts in here. It's completely movable here. So what I did is I took this whole assembly off and threw it on my metal lathe because like most single Canadian males, I have a metal lathe in my living room as well as a full-size milling machine. But besides that, I was able to drill and tap this spindle or pin for a common thread known as a 1/4" 20 threads. So I put a piece of this ready rod inside here and used adhesive, and it's in there quite solid. This piece isn't going anywhere, and this 1/4" 20 is common to a lot of is common to a lot of video cameras and just regular cameras. So that's why I used it. And why did I do that? And that's because I needed a quick a quick release. So what I did, excuse me, is on my metal lathe, I took an air hose fitting, which is this one. This is very common here. You can get this at any hardware store. But what's also important is to get the other end, which is the coupler, so that they match. It's easy to do. However, this part isn't easy to do because you need a metal lathe like I do. But if you're a Canadian man like me, you probably do have a metal lathe in your living room. So I was able to drill and tap this also for a 1/4" 20 thread, which mounts on top of here like this, like that, see? And I'll just finger tight. Again, you're saying, what's the big whoop-de-doo? Well, now we take our air hose fitting. Again, this is the coupler, very common. Where if you can find this, you'll find these. You can find them in a set and they're matching. So this part moves. And what I did is, this part sleeve here moves back and forth like that. And that way you can remove it, when you need to, or put it on when you need to. You have to excuse me, I'm a bit tired here. Anyway, so I took it apart because it comes apart, and I put a 1/4" bolt inside it and put a locking 1/4" nut here. So it doesn't rotate, this doesn't rotate. And I have a bit of a stem here, and that's important because that's what's going to mount my video camera. So what I can do here now is go like this. Just put it on, pull it up, there. This isn't going anywhere. It has vertical play simply because I removed an internal spring. You can leave it in or whatever. It's up to you. That's your problem. But there you go. And that's a big deal. So watch this. I then take a nice clean washer. I take my video camera here. You can see my hole. Okay. And I'm just going to start rotating it with my hand here just to get it started. I think I'm okay. There. Sorry. So as you see there, it's on finger tight. This part's on finger tight. So all I have to do is, I'm all set up. If I need to remove this very quickly to follow the game or whatever I'm following, all I got to do is pull up on this fitting, and there. It's good to go. It also gives me this little handle, which when I used to do filming of remote control helicopters and jets, I needed a handle like this, and you'd be surprised how useful this is. So you have a little handle, and you want to put it on, just pull up like that, there. And how strong is it? Well, it's picking up that whole thing. So there, as I said, it's very modest, it's simple, but you can find these parts at any hardware store, and with a little time and energy, and as I said, if you're Canadian like me, you'll have a machine